Hey everyone, Carolyn here, and right now we are going to talk about Excel. As many of you know, Excel is a super important program to learn. Some of you are really going to benefit from this program professionally once you learn how to master it. We chose our top 3 favorite and very important functions for you to learn and remember when you're working with Excel. Number 1, copy and paste. Okay. You're probably thinking, well, duh, of course I need to know copy and paste. I learned this in 1st grade. Some of you. Well, some of you may not know that copy and paste functions a little bit differently in Excel. Excel has a pretty wide variety of paste functions, including paste with or without formatting, paste with values, without values, transpose, so much more. Make sure you know the paste functions and what you're trying to do with them, and then, beyond that, learn which paste functions that you use the most and learn those shortcuts so you can save a little bit of time. Number 2, sort and filter. Now, some say that learning sorting and filtering on Excel is the gateway to data analytics. Well, I don't know about that, but I do know for sure that if you learn how to properly sort and filter, you're going to save a ton of time pinpointing specific data points and narrowing down the information that you need. If you learn these shortcuts, you are also going to save a ton of time in your work. Number 3, VLOOKUP. Accounting professionals from data analysts to public accountants absolutely use this function. This formula will help you sort through data in a range of cells by row. It's really useful for analyzing larger amounts of data. Learn exactly how this function works to use it to your advantage. What do you think the most useful Excel skills are? Let us know in the comments.